Yo guys, what is up? In this video we'll be solving Leetcode number 1, twosome. Given an array integer nums and an integer target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so as we can see in our input nums, this is our array, this is our target. The output is 0 and 1, and that's because at index 0 we have 2, at index 1 we have 7, you add them together and you get the target. So for the solution, we can just use nested for loops, and I'll show you how we're going to use them. So we're going to create our first for loop for I in range nums, and then we'll create another one for j, let's call it j in range nums. But in this second for loop, what we're going to do is we're going to add I by 1, because we want I to be ahead of j by 1, and that way we can track each value and compare it to the other and add it together. So now what we can basically do is create a if statement saying if nums I plus nums j is equals to the target, then return the index of I and j. So now let's code it up. Okay, for I in range len nums, and then we create our second for loop in range I plus 1 len nums, and then we basically say if nums I plus nums j is equals to the target value, then simply return the index of I and j. If we run it now, as you can see, our test cases have passed. And now if we submit, okay, boom, it beats 31.06%, and there it is. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.